Top 5 Best Tactical Pens. 1. The Atomic Bear SWAT Tactical Pen. Many tactical pens feel uncomfortable when held in reverse. But not the SWAT Tactical Pen from the Atomic Bear. It has a very distinct ergonomic design tailored specifically for slip-free writing and self-defense. 2. UZI Tactical Pen. The UZI Tactical Pen is made for military and police use, hence the tough and durable build. It has a crosshatch design for better grip and includes an extremely tight pocket clip. It has a lightweight design and is comfortable to write with. 3. Smith & Wesson Military and Police Tactical Pen. The Smith & Wesson Military and Police Tactical Pen is a tactical pen made of aircraft-grade aluminum with a matte black finish. It's longer than most writing pens, so it's not exactly the easiest to hide. 4. Smith & Wesson Stylus Tactical Pen. Don't like the Smith & Wesson Military and Police Tactical Pen? Check out the Smith & Wesson Stylus Tactical Pen instead. It is similarly made of aircraft-grade aluminum and comes with a matte black finish. 5. Columbia River Knife & Tool Williams Tactical Pen. The CRKT Williams Tactical Pen is without a doubt the most stylish tactical pen on this list. Just look at that undeniably smooth design. It was designed by former U.S. Army officer and martial arts instructor James Williams. Check the description below for more details and price. If you like video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.